In this video, I'm going to teach you how to paste code in draw.io. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to drawio.com. Now into this part, what we can do is you can just proceed to enter it here or describe your actual diagram. So for this, just describe it, click on generate, and then it will be generated. Do take note that you don't need to log in anymore in order to actually use Draw.io. You don't need to register as well. It uses OpenAI for generation. Now, in order to paste a code, let's head over and then go to our diagram. I have in here this particular diagram. So what we can do is we can just head over and then paste it as a plain text. Just dragging here a text part. It's typically under the general. Add it right here. And then once you have added it, next thing you need to do is to just head over and then paste right here the code. Double click this and then press on the Control V on your keyboard in order to paste the code. So let's input right here our code. I have added it right there. So what we can do next is to just add it, and as you can see it's right now it's a plain text. We can manually format the text including the font size and color to make it look like a code block. Another option that we can do is we can paste it as an image. So just take a screenshot of your code and add it right there. Do take note that it needs to be a free view. However, if you wish to create something that's actually a code, what we can do is we can typically go over and generate a diagram from SQL. Select on the arrange option, click on the insert, and then from in there click on advanced. After that, click on SQL. Enter right here the SQL, then click on insert. Then after that, just wait for this to be inserted all together and you should be able to have right there our code added. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.